Girls and boys, we are working on the Ford Transit Custom. It's 2017 UK model. So we had the noise on the offside front wheel bearing as a driver side in the UK. So we eliminate the problem, we remove the wheels, we check the wheel bearings, we separate the pads from the disc, we check the bearings. We did not have no noise from bearings, so he left us with the drive shaft and the differential over there. So what we did, we removed the wishbone ball joint, the steering track rod arm, and the caliper. We secured the caliper to avoid damaging the brake pipes. There you go. Now we come here, we remove this one, we check the UJs, and with my colleagues now I'm gonna turn it. You can hear the noise that we find the fault. It wasn't the diff, it was the bearings here. If you hear it, so this bearing is gone. Causing a lot of noise when you're driving the 70-80 miles. Was here in this country we got 70 maximum. That's it. So we purchased a new shaft. We're gonna now fit a new shaft on it. So this is just a tip. So if you got a new vehicle, especially Ford, so that's a problem we get. And this vehicle didn't have that much mileage, just about 40,000 miles. So when we fit the new one, we're going to take another video clip for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.